So today I'll be showing you how to create a WhatsApp group. So you can have a WhatsApp group for family, for friends, for coworkers, whatever it is. Here's how to create one easily. So just go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application on your iPhone or Android. And then on the WhatsApp application page, tap on the plus symbol in the top right corner. And for Android users, the plus symbol is going to be somewhere here, just floating near the bottom right corner. Okay, so just go ahead and tap on that to open this menu. And from the menu at the top there, you will see new group, new contact, new community, or new broadcast. So just go ahead and tap on new group because we're creating a new WhatsApp group. Now, on this new WhatsApp group, the first thing you have to do is add members. So you can add at least one member or more. So let's go ahead and add some members here. All right. So I'm just gonna either scroll through my phone book and look for people to add, or I can just search for names. So for instance, I'm just gonna start searching for names here. So I have that person, and then I can delete, find someone else, add that person, and as you can see, the more the people I add are going to be shown in a horizontal list here. So let me add someone else. Let me add that person, and then I'm gonna add another person. And you can add as many people as you want. Okay, you can add up to 1023 members. Okay, so those are the 4 people I want in my group currently. So I'll tap on next in the top right corner, and now I can create a group name and a group icon. And by group icon, I mean a group profile picture. So for the group name, I'll just go ahead and select that name, and I can change the name later. And then go to add a group icon, which is the WhatsApp group profile picture. So if I tap here, I can either take a photo right now with my camera, or I can choose a photo from my gallery. I can use an emoji or sticker, or I can even search the web for an image. Okay, so let me add an emoji or a sticker. Okay, so I'm just gonna find something here. Uh, let's put, no, let's put something. That. Okay, so that's going to be our group icon. Then I can tap on done, and then there are some settings here. Do you want disappearing messages in this WhatsApp group or not? If you do, select that, and then you can choose after what period the messages should disappear. And then you have some group permissions. If you tap here, you can edit group settings from here. Basically, this is the settings for the members of the group. Now, since you created the group, you're the admin. These are just settings you can tweak for what the members can do and what they cannot do. So we have, do you want to allow the group members to change group settings? If yes, leave that enabled. If no, leave that disabled. Okay. Do you want members to send messages to the group? Yes or no? That's yes. For no, disable that option. And then do you want to allow the members of the group to add other members or not? So that's the option there. And then this is what you choose for admins. Do you need the admin of the group or admins to approve new members? Okay, so if you want to be able to approve any new member who wants to join the group, then you leave that enabled. Okay, otherwise, if you leave it disabled, any person who finds a way of joining the group can actually find themselves in the group, reading group messages and interacting with other members. So you can choose whether you want to approve entry into the group or not. Okay, so I'll just leave it disabled because this is not a very sensitive group. And then now, once you're done with all that, you can tap on the back button, and then now you're ready to create your group. So tap on create, and that's going to create the group. Very simple. Now, once you create it, then now you can come and start messaging, start sending messages to the group like that. All the group members will see that message, Then you can even add the description, just explain what the group is about. And save. And yeah, so that is basically how to create a WhatsApp group. You can see my members are responding, and that's because I've allowed them to send messages to the group. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.